Bustani from S2K1P7.
Hi, my name is Siddiq and I'm from S2K1P7.
Hi, my name is Yusri and I am from S2K1P7.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Aizad Danish bin Azman from S2K1P7.
Today, we are going to demonstrate the concept of magnetism by creating a simple product which is a toy magnetic cup. Before starting the demonstration, I would like to give a brief explanation about what is magnetism. Magnetism is a physical phenomena that is mediated by magnetic field. So now, my team member is going to create the product which is related to magnetism.
Right now, I'm going to show the apparatus that we are going to use in order to make the magnetic toys cup. Okay, so the first thing we need is a cap. We need 8 of these, each with a hole. We need 4 sticks. We need 2 straws, 4 magnets, and of course, a cup. Okay, from using the bottle caps and sticks and the straws, we are going to combine them to make this. And from the magnet and the sticks, we are going to combine them to make the magnet sticks.
We are using repulsion of magnet to move a toy car.
From the simple product that was created by Yusri and explained by Siri, which is magnetic toy car. Magnetic toy car experiments are a simple and fun way to teach the children about magnetism. Magnetic toy car experiments consist of 1 custom magnetic toy car and 4 magnets. 2 magnets are attached to the back of the custom magnetic toy car, and the other 2 magnets are attached to a stick and act as a controller. The magnets at the end of the toy car and magnets at the stick has 2 poles, which is North Pole and South Pole. The toy car moves by the repulsion force between the magnets facing each other with the same pole. The function of the magnetic toy car is to easily teach the younger generation about how magnetism works. We created the magnetic toy car by using the concept of magnetism and under subtopic magnetic field.
Finally, we have reached to the end of the video. Now, I'm going to give the definition of magnetic field. Magnetic field is a region around a magnet where magnetic force can be experienced.